Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to upload your pre-recorded video to YouTube and then be able to transfer that URL to your assignment. So first of all, make sure that you are logged into your school Gmail account. And when you've done that, go to Google and these arrangement of 9 dots right here. You click on that. You can see that you can obviously get to your Drive and Gmail, but if you scroll down, you will see YouTube right here. So if you click on YouTube, it'll automatically take you to your YouTube channel account. And then what you're going to look for is this little symbol right here, the top right hand corner, a little camera that says create a video and more, and you're going to upload your video. So select upload your video, and that will bring up this dialog box, and you may get this learn more extension. If you don't need that, just ignore it. And then you can do one of two things. You can drag and drop your file right here or select your file. So I'm going to do the select a file, navigate to my desktop where my pre-recorded video is at. I forgot what I called it. Sorry about that. You can tell I got a lot of, there we go, YouTube sample video. Double click on it and it will immediately start uploading. Now you can replace, it'll automatically include what you had called your video right there. You have an opportunity at this point to change it. Enter a brief description if you'd like in regards to that. And it's processing your video. When it's finished processing your video, mine was pretty short, only 11 seconds, it will come up with some potential thumbnails for your videos. You can choose one of those defaults, or you could actually upload one of your own. Then down here on the playlist, you can select, and if you've developed some playlists, you can add it there. If not, you can create your own by typing in new playlist and select none. I'm going to put this in my speech category and click done. And then you have to answer this question, is the video made for kids? And it's a required question, so you have to say yes or no. If basically this is for your speech assignment in high school, then you have to say yes, it's made for kids, so it's appropriate for students under 18 years of age or younger. If you happen to be in a Navarro class only, then you could select no, it's not made for kids. It really doesn't mean much in that regards. Then click your next button. Oh, forgot to select it. So I'm going to select yes, it's made for kids, and select my next button. And then you can add elements like a card at the beginning or the end. I don't have any of those, so we can just click next. And then this is really important right here. You get 3 choices to how you want to save and publish your video. If you select public, everybody in the world can see your video. So if you want to do that, that's fine. It's up to you. If you select unlisted, it means that only people who have the URL will be able to see it. So for the most part, that's me and the rest of the class. If, however, you select private, the only person who can see it is you. So please don't do that, because I can't watch it, can't grade it. Okay? So for most of you, you'll select unlisted as your assignment and then hit save. That will publish your video, and right there you can see the video link, and you can copy that URL right there and that's what you want to submit to me in your assignment, and it makes it real easy for me then to come and view your actual video. That's all there is to it.